Monthly Param Nivedan for 2021 December to be successful with the power and grace of Paramji alias His Holiness. Paprava 1 to 8. Paramam Sharanam Gacchami, Hansam Sharanam Gacchami, Advaitam Sharanam Gacchami, Anandam Sharanam Gacchami, Charnam Sharanam Gacchami. हे परम जी, मुझ पर कृपा करो, सिर झुकाकर परम जी को नमस्कार करता हूँ. Paprava 9. Param ji, with your holy grace, November passed smoothly and Diwali also went well. Thank your holiness Param ji. Empower this Masik Param Nivedan so that December becomes beneficial for me and P3Y. Bestow me more success in my business, profession, agriculture, animal husbandry and work. I wish to become more wealthy and make other people wealthier. I will register the details of my profession or business in the P3Y Karta Profession portal under p3ythf.com website. I wish to make my country prosperous. Bless me so that my income increases and expenses decrease. I will use the money to spread P3Y. Make me free of all my debts. Even when I become more wealthy, I will be and remain humble before Paramji and all P3Y Kartas. May chartered accountants etc. remain in my favor. Income Enhancement Online P3Y class, Surat, every Thursday 7 am Bharat time, streamed live on YouTube and Facebook, P3Y THF. May my development in material aspects of life becomes more fast. May I achieve all my goals and my struck work gets through quickly. May all the wishes I ask in Papra and the Papra I make others to do during this month gets fulfilled. Bestow me with fame and recognition. I wish to become an excellent P3Y Pracharak. I will give P3Y calendars in Hindi, Gujarati, English to maximum number of households under the Mission P3Y calendar to many families in my district, in my society by reading P3Y calendar promotion page. I will tell farmers that with the help of P3Y Shakti, there will be good harvest. Quality and production of milk in the cattle would increase. Give me strength and valor so that I can protect P3Y and keep the thieves and scoundrels away from P3Y class. I am an honest, obedient and brave P3Y Karta and will strive to make others as well. May my body and mind remain healthy in this winter. Increase immunity power. May I do not get affected by common cold, dengue, corona, etc. May my country be corona free. There should be no third wave of corona in the country. If I become sick, may I be cured with Papra water. Disease Prevention P3Y online class is streamed live on the last Sunday of the month, December 26, 7 pm. Make my mind and intellect pleasant for me and P3Y. I will do Param Yog daily and will follow Paramji Adesh and P3Y teachers' advice. Give me mental peace and good intellectual capacity. May I make quick and correct decisions and get more success. Remove the weaknesses of mind. May I get divine experiences in Param Dhyan, the divine meditation. May I accomplish more efficiency in all the work I do. Paramji Dhyan class, Friday 7 pm. Give intelligence to do logical prachar of P3Y in December. I will give good luck Papra cards and teach Papra Param Yog to people in distress in my country as well as in abroad. I will inform people to attend 7 am to 7 pm daily online P3Y class. I will keep telling the three Mahasutra, the great slogans of P3Y, Number 1, the truth that P3Y fulfills desires. Number 2, eligible persons are honest, obedient and brave. Number 3, Jai Ghosh, बिना प्रचार नहीं उद्धार. May my family members be more blissful, peaceful and caring towards each other. May I not get angry unnecessarily. May my children flourish and progress. May they get good guidance and good company. Increase their memory for studies. May they get good marks in exams. Give me good intellect so that I impart good values and teach the truth to my children. I will make them recite clever student Param Nivedan and will encourage them to take Param Vidya Mantra on December 5, 10 am. I will distribute P3Y notebooks in students. Bring peace upon my ancestors. Remove all Pitrudosh, Vastudosh and other related problems. Protect me and my family from obstructions like all kind of negative energies, adverse planetary effects, harmful accompaniments, accidents, fire, earthquake, cold, other natural calamities or negative thoughts, etc. May I not face adversities. In case I face any, I may be able to overcome with P3Y power. I will keep telling people that Paramji has empowered Umargam as PDME place, Kumbh place. Whosoever will do this holy pilgrimage of Umargam, his wishes will be fulfilled earlier. His stuck work gets accomplished earlier. I will inform on mobile number +91 81 417 63796 before coming to Umargam P3Y Dhyan Center so that good arrangements be made. Umargam PDME Yatra Dutt Jayanti P3Y Yagya class December 19, 10 am. I will lovingly celebrate all festival classes mentioned in the P3Y calendar and will attend the Masik Shivratri, Amas, Gita Jayanti, 18 days, etc. P3Y classes. I offer my destiny of December to the holy feet of Paramji, alias His Holiness. Paramji, please make my destiny better. I will propagate this monthly Param Nivedan amongst maximum people, will do good works and will have pleasant behavior towards others in this month. I will invite people to attend Google Meet P3Y class of Tuesday 9 pm taken by Dr. Ajit. I will invite Dr. Ajit to my Google Meet class to guide me on my question so that along with me, other people of my society also get the benefit of P3Y power. I will translate online in my local language so that I be a better P3Y Pracharak. P3Y work motivation. Aarti Mukesh Rajput from Delhi had invited Dr. Ajit for P3Y guidance on her question about family peace and took good Google Meet class. Mukesh ji has made several Umargam PDME P3Y meditation center yatra and gave good seva there. I will also take inspiration from them for P3Y Prachar work. Make me more happy, prosperous, peaceful, healthy, disease-free, blissful, powerful and humble than I am at present. Protect me from all troubles and diseases. If an serious problem, I will contact Dr. Ajit, mobile +91 81607 11859 or other P3Y teacher. Paprwa 10. As soon as my desire is fulfilled, as Pakar, I will give, say the money in whichever currency you earn and decide the amount on your own, to Paramji or will offer 1 liter water or 1 flower to Paramji alias His Holiness. Paprwa 11. As soon as my desire is fulfilled, as Pakar, I will give P3Y calendars, will distribute P3Y books to one or more as per your capacity, new persons. I will attend online P3Y class. I will arrange Google Meet online P3Y class. I will visit P3Y website p3ytschef.com. I will upload 2-minute video or audio about my miraculous P3Y experience on the website or by text through WhatsApp. I offer this monthly Param Nivedan and its fruit to Paramji alias His Holiness.